Hello student, myself Ravi Mishra. Today we introduce the topic reproductive health and birth control method. This topic is very important for board classes and various competitions and in social way. So in the middle of this video, we discuss many important questions that comes from the topic reproductive health and birth control methods. So please see the video till the end. First of all, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, click on bell icon for new videos and new updates. Now we discuss reproductive health. According to World Health Organization, it means a total well-being in all aspects of reproduction, physically, emotional, social and behavioral. Some of the aspects required to be studied in the reproductive health are, means there are some main topics that are studied under the reproductive health. Now the first, overpopulation, means a large number of the people, knowledge of reproductive organ and sexually transmitted disease, means if the population have knowledge about the reproductive organ and sexually transmitted disease, that maintain the reproductive health. And last, they use birth control device that stop the overpopulation. Now in next step we discuss about birth control method, the regulation of conception by preventive measures or device to control the number of offspring, that is called the birth control methods. Now the first, contraception. Contraception method are those methods that avoid the unwanted pregnancies. It is the avoidance of pregnancies. There are several methods of contraception. In contraception method, there are the several methods are included. Now the first, barrier method, second, chemical method, third, IUCD system, means intrauterine contraceptive device. Now the fourth, natural method, and fifth, surgical method. Now we explain these methods one by one in brief. Now first we discuss barrier method. Barrier methods help to prevent union of sperm and egg, means it stop the fertilization process in fallopian tube of the female body. We stop the passing of sperms by the use of condoms, means nirod, femidom and diaphragm in female cases. Condom used in male case and diaphragm used in female case. Now the second method is chemical method. In chemical method we use some medicines such as oral contraceptive devices. It changes the hormonal balance to check the egg release in females, means the oral contraception method used to balance the hormones that release in female body, that regulate the egg release. It causes side effect. We use excess amount of oral contraception devices that affect the female body and show some side effects on female body. Now third method is IUCD, means intrauterine contraceptive device. We use copper T or loop like structure that plays in the uterus of the female body that prevent the pregnancy, means that stop or kill the sperms that reaches in copulation method. Now fourth is natural method. In the natural methods we use following three methods that stop the fertilization in human body. There are the different methods are included in natural method. Now the first, abstinence, means that avoid the copulation during sex. Second, rhythmic method, avoid copulation around the time of ovulation, means do not have the sex in ovulation period. Now next, coitus interprets it withdrawal of penis before ejaculation. In this method we withdraw the penis before ejaculation during copulation method. Now the last method is surgical method. It is a little operation method that takes place in the body of male as well as female. There are the two methods that included in surgical method. Now the first, vasectomy, and second, tubectomy. Vasectomy method used in male body. In this method, the worst difference of male is blocked, cut and tied to prevent sperm transfer. By this method, the sperm do not transfer from male body to female body. In tubectomy methods, the fallopian tube of female is blocked, oblique cut and tied to prevent egg to reach uterus. This method is useful in female body because in this method the fallopian tube is blocked that prevent to pass the egg from ovary to uterus. So the fertilization process do not takes place. So by these method, barrier, chemical, IUCD, natural and surgical, we use the stop the overpopulation and control birth. So in next video we discuss new topic with new chapters. So thanks.